How to get Giga Chad filter on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. How you can get Giga Chad filter on Instagram. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first step is to go to your Instagram application on your mobile device. And now tap on your story or tap on plus icon or the create icon which is around at the bottom of the screen. But I'm going to tap on your story to create my story Instagram. And now you can see there are many filters just besides of the record button. Just swipe left, just tap on any filter and you will be able to swipe left, and you will be able to swipe left and swipe it till the end, and you will find browse effects. Just tap on it, and now you can see the search icon or the magnifying glass icon which is around at the top left side of the section. Just tap on it and search for GigaChad. And now you'll find different options for GigaChad filter. Just tap on any filter of your choice and tap on it and try it on. So you can see that I have applied GigaChad filter on my Instagram. Just upload it according to your choice. The main thing was to show you how to get GigaChad filter on Instagram. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.